What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nice and Easy coming back with another video. This is part 2 of my homage to the NBA Finals, and I think you know what shoe I'm going to be talking about. You can see right here, wearing Cleveland on the chest. Let me not get into what player this is. Cleveland fans out there might get mad. But anyway, let's get to the shoes. Today, we'll be not doing a performance review, but an unboxing and overview of the Nike Lebron 15 Low. So here's the box of the Lebrons right here on the top. Right here on the top of that design. Over there, just an all black box, LeBron James signature. Lebron 15 Low. This is the black and metallic gold colorway. Now let's get into the shoes. Open that box, and there we go. These are very good looking shoes. These are still dead stock. Haven't used these yet. And here they are, and bang! This is a very clean colorway, very simple. Black, white, hit a gold. Now let's talk about the shoe and how it may perform. This is the LeBron 15 Low. The low, much similar to the high, features an all battlenet upper. This is like the Nike's form of basketball, purely basketball, a dedicated fly knit. Right here is a lateral outrigger that goes from the side of the foot all the way to the front of the foot. On the medial side, we have a golden swoosh here, kind of an outrigger here as well, going into the cushioning system. Right here, we can see that there is a zoom bag here. On the heel is an Air Max unit. Traction pattern features that same diamond tooth. Let me put it in an angle so you can see the same diamond tooth traction pattern. This is in the translucent outsole. Now let me talk about the shoe. The all battlenet upper, I've been hearing very good reviews about battlenet. I will get in, after I play in these, I will put out the performance review. Now this is what I was talking about in the previous video. This is what I wish the KDs to be. A much softer, let me just take the cardboard insert out. These are a much softer, much more pliable form of knit. Now these were, whatever the support system in this knit is, because you can feel it's not just knit. Whatever it is, it's good, because I can tell that this will conform. Look, this will conform to how your foot will be shaped. Right here, fly wire going up, so you know that this is going to hug, and this is going to shape around your foot well. And the biggest improvement for me with this shoe over the LeBron 15 mid is this outrigger right here. You can see even in the forefoot, this sits much higher than it does in the LeBron 15, because that had absolutely no lateral support. If you remember in my earlier vlog video, I tried the pair on, and the thing is, when you put your foot inside, you sit so high off the ground. You need a lot of lateral support, because even if you try to roll your ankle on purpose, I could feel myself almost slipping and almost twisting it on purpose. So that's definitely not a good thing. We saw that in I think it was game 3 of the finals when LeBron turned his ankle. They put an outrigger. They put this part. They raised this part on his personal pairs so he wouldn't get injured. But you can see, it still came to bite him in the butt in the end in game 3 of the finals. Now, I love the materials they use. I think this is going to be a beast in terms of performance. I don't know how it'll be in terms of breathability, because knit isn't the most breathable material. But I think you can get past that. Right here. Now this is where I was kind of disappointed. I wish that the cushioning system they used on the LeBron 15 Lows was the same they used on the mids. The mids featured I think it was an all Zoom Air. But these come with an Air Max unit at the back, Zoom unit in the front. But I think that this was made as such also for support reasons. They had to since it's a low, they had to let the shoe sit a little bit more towards the ground, so that the support system can help your foot. You won't be rolling around as much, and just sort of keep the player protected in many different situations. Now, and I think this is the biggest improvement, just by appearance. It is the mountain ridge or tooth, the tooth traction pattern on the LeBron 15 mids. This was horizontally linear, separated into 3 sections so that the shoe can bend. But I think this is better. They contort it in such a in such a way that when you make front to back movements, you're covered. Side to side movements, which was the problem in the LeBron 15 mid. When you make side to side movements, you're still covered. And the ridges, the straightness and the ridges actually counter what I said was the problem in the KD10. When you make a move like this, these should still bite because of those ridges. Now, these are very hard rubber in terms of the entire tooth, but they're very soft at the tip, so I think these will probably burn out a bit fast, but I hope that the sharpness of it makes up for whatever burnout you're going to feel at the tips. So yeah, this colorway, probably with the gold, is in celebration of that championship LeBron won in 2016. And I think it's a really nice colorway. The thing with basketball shoes nowadays, I think they're trying to go towards a direction that was previously done, in that they're trying to make basketball shoes cool to wear again off court. So in recent years, when you've seen performance shoes, you're gonna say like, I would never wear those outside the court. They just don't look cool. But when you have shoes like these, knit upper, gold, white, simple colorways, you have shoes like the Kobe NXT 360s, even PG2s. I wouldn't be afraid to wear those off court. Try to style them, try to wear something hot with them, because they just look really good. Now I can't wait to wear these. I'm really excited to play in these, but I'm a bit reluctant because of this traction pattern. I only want to wear these on wood. I haven't played on wood in a while, so definitely when I get the chance to play on a wooden court, I'm bringing these out of the box. I'm putting these on feet and I'm going to torch them. I'm going to absolutely torch them on court just so I can get that performance review out and I can see what these are going to do for me. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I helped some of you make a decision. Some helped predict what these are going to feel like on feet. Of course, if you need to get into performance review, a lot of guys out there doing it. The Soul Brothers, Geronman, I think, has video. Nightwing2303 over at Wear Testers. If I can get my video out on time, definitely check out them. Shout out to them. I've been watching them for a long time. Some of my inspirations in getting into this whole YouTube thing. So this is going to be it for this shoe. I promise, guys, as soon as I get to play them, I'm going to put out the performance review. So that's going to be it for today. And as I always tell you, take it slow, take it easy. It's been your boy, Nice and Easy. I am out.